The main aim of the programme is to provide students with the skills and knowledge to be able to manage and analyse business data using a wide range of industry standard tools and techniques. In semester 1, students will be studying databases design and development, business analytics, applied systems analysis, programming and scripting, and also statistics for business analytics. In second semester then, students move on and they will study post-relational databases, decision theory and data visualization, business intelligence, cloud infrastructure and enterprise services, and information systems development.
This program is really unique in that it is an online program, and while much of the material is pre-recorded and delivered each week to students asynchronously, and they do it on their own time that week, there still is an element of synchronous material where they're meeting with their lecturers each week for discussion and interaction with their peers. The other points to make is that they do a professional practice project. So all students on the program will work on a project applying what they've learned across their modules in a final project for the program. And sometimes students have access to their data sets at work that they'd like to use, or they have their own project. Sometimes they work with lecturers to identify a project or a case study, if you will, but it's a really applied way of using the theory and the content that they've learned over the course of the higher diploma and applying it in a real-world situation.
Through case studies, simulations, and project-based learning, students really hone in on their practical skills to address data analytics or business analytics problems such as data manipulation, statistical analysis, predictive-based modelling, and data visualization.
We engage heavily with industry, both within Galway and around greater outside Galway City. We work closely with multinational organizations, with small to medium enterprises, with hubs, including our own iHub, Platform 94, Portershed, so that we're working with entrepreneurs, people in the innovation district and the innovation space, and really trying to bring to life the disciplines within business and expose our students and connect them into the business network and the greater community within which they're living and they're studying, so that they're applying the concepts and the topics and the theories and ideas from the classroom in the real world, and really out there networking and making a name for themselves with organizations. Many of our programs have work placement at the undergraduate level, and our postgraduate programs, while they may not have work placement, they have an applied project element within the course, so that the students again have an opportunity within their program to apply the content and material from the classroom into a real-world project or on site with an organization, for example.
The entry requirements are a level 8 degree in any discipline because it is a conversion course, but if there are candidates with a level 7 degree and relevant work experience, they will also be able to apply through ATU or PL process. We do have a progression opportunity for our HTIP students. If they wish, they can join our face-to-face master's programme in business analytics. The type of people that would be interested in this course are people who are currently unemployed, who are looking to upskill to improve their job prospects, or indeed people who are out in industry who are working and want to specialise in the area of business analytics.